How to level up fast on Fortnite. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to level up fast on Fortnite. Firstly, try to finish the daily quest for XP. Daily quests refresh every day at 6 a.m. PST, 9 a.m. EST, or 2 p.m. GMT. These quests are similar to weekly quests, though the task can be done a lot quicker. These quests may look like restoring shields, upgrading weapons, visiting landmarks, and more. If you play Fortnite daily, be sure to complete at least the first 3 daily quests. Each quest onward will have a reduced XP reward amount. Also, try to win Battle Royale to get tons of XP. This is the easiest, guaranteed way to get levels quickly. With every storm cycle you survive, the XP bonuses increase. Additionally, getting eliminations can give you tons of XP. So even if you don't win the match, you will receive a hefty amount of XP with your endgame stats. If you don't have a squad to play with, there are ways to improve your skill and win a game solo. Party assists can help you finish quests more quickly. When you play with friends in Fortnite matches, they can help get progress on your daily and weekly quests with the party assist feature. If you have quests that are about to expire, play duos, trios, or squads to get a helping hand. You can also buy extra levels in the Fortnite shop. If the season is ending and you are nearing the end of the Battle Pass, you may need to purchase the last few levels if you don't have time to grind. Luckily, if you are close to the end of the Battle Pass, Fortnite gives a discounted price for levels. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.